Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for January 13 to 19, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description. At sa pinned comment, pakicheck nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa lahat ng mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Thank you. Okay, Taurus, let us see. What's up with you? January 13 to 19 for Taurus. Higher power. Wow. Your third eye is opening. Maaring mas nagiging malakas ang inyong pakiramdam, yung inyong instinct, yung intuition nyo. You are also learning. Meron ka na-unlock na mga talent, skill set mo, power mo. Okay? You also have poised. So, you are very confident, no, sa sarili mo ngayon. Wow, regeneration. Yung iba sa inyo, binabalik nyo yung dati nyong sigla, yung dati nyong interest, yung dati nyong feeling na very inspired. Oo. So, yung iba, meron kayong ginawang glow up. So, nire-invent nyo yung sarili ninyo. It's like the new version of yourself. Some of you, you are rebranding. Kung kayo ay nasa social media or you are into the entertainment industry, nire-rebrand mo yung sarili mo for a new you. Kumbaga, bagong image. Okay. You have the Page of Wands, the Two of Wands, the World, the Knight of Swords. The World is accomplishment. I think ngayong week na to, you're going to be very busy. Okay? Maraming mga ganap for this week. Most of them travel, going to different places. May mga inaasikaso ka. So, yung iba sa inyo may mga inaasikaso related sa pera, sa lupa, sa mga assets nyo, ari-arian nyo, sa trabaho. So, kumbaga, yung sipag nyo na yon, yung pagiging busy nyo na yon, it generates money. Yes. So, kung may business kayo, minsan sa sobrang busy, no, yung income mo, hindi mo na napapansin na ang laki na pala dahil sa pagiging busy mo. Na parang, hindi mo napansin, oops, uy, yung laki na pala ng kinita ko this week. Ganon. Especially if you are someone who is a freelancer or someone na self-employed. Ayan. So, marami kang ine-explore ngayon. Some of you are learning. Some of you are starting up a business. Okay? And this is leading you to financial freedom. Yung iba sa inyo may adventure. Yung iba, you might be planning to travel abroad or ngayong week na to, mag-abroad ka talaga. You have the Moon. Very emotional rin kayo this week. Maybe because may frustration, maraming pressure sa paligid mo na, kailangan mo matapos to, kailangan mo tong magawa. 'Di ba? So, ang daming pressure. Lalo na kung you're also attending mga events or you will be talking to a lot of people. Nakaka-stress rin minsan at nakaka-drain din yan. So, you have to make sure din na binibigyan mo rin yung sarili mo para mag-recuperate, no? Itong regeneration is like, parang rejuvenate, ganyan. Crossroad, this is, meron kang decision making na gagawin. This can be related sa isang family member or a person na nakaasa sa'yo. Okay? Or someone na sinusuportahan mo. I also see you na meron ka rin gagawing like physical changes sa appearance mo. Pwedeng you will undergo surgery, plastic surgery, or kung hindi man surgery, parang kahit simpleng facial, ganyan. Or, diamond peel. Uso pa ba yung diamond peel? Or, enhancement. Yung enhancement na yan, bibigay talaga sa'yo yan ng confidence. Like, it's a brand new you. Parang talagang may binabago ka sa sarili mo. Maaring mag-host ka rin ng isang party. So, pwedeng may party sa area nyo, or merong event, yung business mo, or yung boss mo, yung company nyo. So, you will be with a lot of people. Maring may party-party, ganyan. Party-party. Meron ka rin kakausapin. No? Pwedeng iba sa inyo kakausapin nyo to pagdating sa business partnership or related sa pera. Pwedeng meron kang binibiling property or nagka-canvas ka ng materials for your business. Yung iba sa inyo, if you have an online business, hindi na lang local ang inyong clients. Pwedeng pati ibang bansa, nasa ibang bansa. So, it's like expanding your horizon, expanding your reach, yung mga nasasakupan mo. I also see you na meron ditong project na matatapos mo ng successfully. So, itong project na to, people will recognize you for this dahil natapos mo siya ng maganda, magaling. Oo. Maganda recognize na, ay, ang galing ng ginawa mo. Ganon. So, pwedeng ikaw ay maka-receive rin ng award. So, a lot of emotions going on. Kasi, andyan yung patong-patong na excitement, tapos biglang stress, frustration, may pressure, but at the same time, fulfilling siya. Heart medicine. Let go of that which does not serve your highest good. Yes, isa rin sa pagpapagaan ng situation mo ngayon is yung alam mong hindi makakabuti para sa'yo, ili-let go mo na. Okay? Para mabawasan yung burden. So, alimbawa, na-stress ka nga sa araw na to, edi, yung whatever, kung ano man yung nagpa-stress sa'yo na yan, palipasan mo na, tapos na yon, move on ka na sa isang bago mong task. At wag mo na siyang isipin ng isipin kasi tapos na yun, lalo na kung wala ka nang magagawa doon. Okay? Chameleon, soul tribe, it is safe to be seen. Yes. So this is being true to yourself of who you really are. I think ngayon, mas gusto mong makasama yung mga taong nakakaintindi sa'yo, naiintindihan mo. Ito yung tinatawag mong soul family. You will be spending time with them, getting to know them, or, doing activities with them na alam mong nakakakuha ka ng suporta at alam mong naiintindihan ka. Hindi ka ginajudge for who you really are, but someone na na-accept ka. Okay? So, yan ang reading for you, Taurus. Thank you so much and see you again.